Now we will study congruence and similarity. We will start off by understanding congruence, similarity, and then we're going to apply the knowledge to solving problems. Congruence exists when you have two polygons or two shapes that are exactly the same shape and have the same size. Now, for example, in these triangles ABC and DEF, we see that they're both triangles, and for these to be congruent, the length of AB must be equal to the length of DE, the length of AC must be equal to the length of DF, and the length of BC must be equal to the length of EF. Now, let's take a look at similarity. For two polygons to be similar, they have to be the same shape, but they do not have to be the same size. What we have in this case is we have a ratio of the side of one shape to the other shape. For example, the length of AB, the ratio of the length of AB to DE must be consistent with the ratio of the length of BC to EF and then AC to DF. Now let's apply that in solving problems. Triangles ABC and DEF are similar triangles. What is the value of x? So we look at the ratio of AB to DE must be equal to the ratio of BC to EF, which also must be equal to the ratio of AC to DF. Now let's work with values. The length of AB is 5 centimeters. The length of DE is 15 centimeters. This is equal to the length of BC is 6 centimeters. The length of EF is 18 centimeters. The length of AC is 7 centimeters, and the length of DF is unknown. So if we look at this here, we can see from the ratio of AB to DE is we have a ratio of 1/3, and then we have a ratio of 1/3 from BC to EF. So the ratio of the sides from the smaller triangle to the larger should be 1/3, 1 to 3 from the smaller to the larger. So this is going to be 7 centimeters divided by x. So now we will go through a cross multiplication. So x multiplied by 1 is equal to 7 centimeters multiplied by 3. So x is equal to 21 centimeters. Let's look at this example here. So the ratio of GH over KL must be equal to the ratio of GI over KM. So GH is 6, KL is x, equal to the ratio of GI. GI is going to give us 14, and the units are in centimeters. And then KM, which is the same length as LN, is going to give us 35 centimeters. So we're going to perform a cross multiplication, and we have, so we multiply 6 by 35 and 14 by x. So we have 6 centimeters multiplied by 35 centimeters is equal to x multiplied by 14 centimeters. So we're going to divide both sides by 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. And so x is equal to, we divide this by 2, we get 7. here we get 3. We divide 7 by 7, we get 1, and by 35 we get 5. So this is going to be 15 centimeters. So the length of KL is 15 centimeters. Now with this parallelogram, we have the ratio of OP to ST must be the same as the ratio of OR to SV. So OP is 28 centimeters, ST is the unknown, OR is 40 centimeters, SV is 5 centimeters. So now we're going to perform a cross multiplication here. So 28 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters equal to X multiplied by 40 centimeters. Now we're going to divide both sides by 40 centimeters. And then we have X. Let's go ahead and divide. We have 5 here, 8, and then we divide this by 4. We have 2, and then we have this. So this is 7 over 2 centimeters equal to X. We can also simplify it as 3.5 centimeters, which is equal to X. So this represents the length of ST. So for our final example, an architect is trying to figure out the dimensions of the master bedroom in a blueprint design. The master bedroom will be similar to another room with a length of 12 feet and a width of 9 feet. So we're looking at a room that looks like this. It has a length of 12 feet and a width of 9 feet. Okay, if the master bedroom is expected to have a length of 60 feet, so we have a master bedroom with a length of 60 feet. The length here is 60 feet. What is the width of the master bedroom? So let's make that X. So what we have here is the ratio of 9 feet. So that's the width of the master bed of the sample room to the width of the master bedroom is going to be equal to the length of the sample room to the length of the master bedroom. So we're going to do a cross multiplying here. So we have 9 feet multiplied by 60 feet equal to 12 feet multiplied by X. We're going to divide both sides by 12 feet. So we have X. So this here, 12 divided by 12, 1. 60 divided by 12 is 5. So this is going to be 45 feet. So what this means is that the master bedroom is going to have a width of 45 feet. So this is how you can apply congruence and similarity to solving word problems.